Do you like it more?
Mhm. Actually, I wash my hands more.
What are those other things that you put the frosting on the cupcakes with when you don't use a knife?
You can also use a spoon.
Uh-huh. What are those other things that you squeeze it or something?
Oh, they're called piping bags.
Oh, and how do you use those?
You just squeeze it like the ones that are bumpy.
Uh-huh.
You can get those if you want, but I didn't get those. I'm just using a knife. And just, you can squeeze it like this. You squeeze it like that.
Uh-huh.
I mean, like, you hold it like this and you squeeze it with your other hand.
Oh, okay.
Make sure you go around. You can also use a star nozzle or a round nozzle. They have a flower nozzle, a star nozzle, and a round nozzle.
Oh, and what is your favorite kind of frosting?
I think the kind that I'm frosting with.
And then how do you do that raspberry frosting?
Raspberry frosting, you have to mix it with our mixer. Our mold mixer over there.
And then what kind of ingredients?
Butter.
Huh?
Butter.
Butter and what else?
1 pound of butter. Unsalted butter. You want to make sure it's unsalted.